This is GentleTech. Today we are going to learn how to partition our hard drive. How to partition our hard drive is so simple. In the search bar, types File Explorer. That's the first one there. File Explorer. Open it. Open it. At the left side of the computer, you see this PC. This PC. Click on it. Click on this PC. So as you can see, my own, we have two drives over here. If you want to add another one, you go to Window key plus R to open the run window. That is the run. So when this open, quickly type disk, and then use small letters instead. Disk mgmt, that's disk management .mxc. Then you click on OK. Click on OK. You see a new window will appear like this. So this is the disk management. This is the disk management. As you can see, I have my Windows drive C here, drive D here. That's my second one, and the other one here. In my case, I have this, and I have this. I don't have this. But if I want to partition any of this, I'll just click on it to partition any of them. If I want to partition this, I'll only right click on it and say shrink volume. So you can see, in your case, it may delay a little, like 1 minute to 3 minutes, depending on the load on the computer. In my case, that's come within the seconds. So you see, this is the total I have. 281,000 megabytes. That is 281 gigabytes. This is available with 278,098 megabytes. That is 278 gigabytes. So you type over here the amount you want to shrink. Here, not type over here. So here we convert megabyte into what? Gigabyte. As we know, 1,000 megabytes make 1 gigabyte. So we convert. So let's say I want 10,000 megabyte. That is 10 gigabytes. If I want this, I type it over there. As you can this, you are done with that, you click on shrink. You see? So this is the one that is what I just created. This is the one I just created right now. I hope you can see. Earlier we have about 4 options. Now we have like 5 options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. As you can see, this they say unallocated. So what do? We need to format this drive. So we need to right click on this, right click, and then you see new simple volume. Click on it, click on it. So as you can see, it said this wizard helps you create a simple volume on a disk. A simple volume can only be on a single disk. To continue, click next. So click on what? Next. Click on next. Click on next. Here we need to assign a letter. We need to assign a letter over here. In my case, I have drive C and D. So I'll go in for E. I'll go in for E and I'll go to next. Go to next. And then here, if you select FAT32, make sure you change it to new technology file system. Change it to new technology file system. Leave everything as it is, default new volume, then click on next. Click on next. Then finally click on finish. And we are done. Now let's check our new drive that we just created. You see, that is it over here. This is the new one we just created. I have this earlier, I have this earlier. This is the new one we just created. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like this video, share and subscribe. God bless you. Bye bye.